Hi, in this video I will show you how to buy Trump meme coin on Solana blockchain. First you need some wallet that supports Solana blockchain. I prefer using Phantom. Set up your wallet, deposit some Solana token amount that you want to buy Trump meme coin. Go to gettrumpmemes.com. Find contract address here, official contract address. Click copy, go to radium.io, connect your wallet. Here paste official token address of Trump coin. Click on that. Type amount of coin that you want to buy. For example, because I have a little money in this wallet, I will type 0.2, click swap. Here you will see fee on Solana blockchain and everything. Just click confirm, wait for transaction to be completed on Solana blockchain, and Trump coin will be shown in your wallet. That is all. Thank you for watching.